Once you have previewed the presentation and have determined that it is complete, you can publish the final version to a variety of locations and/or media, such as a local drive, a network share, CD, or website. Click on Publish. The Publish wizard will give you the choice of My Computer, My Network Places, or Web Server. The process of publishing to My Computer or My Network Places is identical, so we'll just do it once. Choose My Computer and click Next. You will then be prompted to name the presentation and specify where you want it saved, either by typing in the path or by using the Browse button. Once you've done that, click Next. Now you can give your presentation a title, list the name of the presenter, and also specify an introduction page picture such as your company logo or a picture of the presenter that will appear to viewers upon opening the presentation. You can also add a description of the presentation. Once all of the fields have been entered, click Next. The last step in the publishing process is selecting the publish settings that best match the needs of your audience. The default option is to use the suggested settings recommended. Producer evaluates the video and audio content on the timeline in terms of codecs and bit rates used and recommends the best publishing settings. You always have the opportunity to select Choose Publish settings for different audiences and specify the settings yourself. Start with the Publish Setting dialog. Click on Choose Publish settings for different audiences. First, choose which codec version or versions you want to use in the Windows Media Technology dropdown. Select Windows Media 9 codecs for the best quality at any bit rate, unless you have a specific requirement for Windows Media 8 codecs. Specify the preferred target audience connection speed. You can select one or more profiles ranging from 56 kilobits per second up to 800 kilobits per second. Should you desire multiple bit rates, Producer will create one presentation with multiple, user-selectable media files. When you publish using multiple codecs and/or multiple bit rates, Producer displays the options available to the viewer beneath the play text on the introduction page, allowing the user to pick the best presentation for the best experience. Using Windows Media 9 codecs enables you to use rich media streaming and to optimize the audio compression for voice narration by checking the appropriate box. Rich media streaming is designed to be used in presentations that are streamed over a network from a Windows Media server. When you enable rich media streaming, the PowerPoint slides and web content in your presentation are encoded into a separate stream of the final Windows Media video file. Check the box Optimize Compression for audio narration to use the Windows Media Audio 9 voice codec. This provides the best voice playback, especially at low data rates. For detailed information on codec selection, player compatibility, and rich media streaming, refer to the white paper Microsoft Producer for Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2003, Codec Compatibility and Rich Media Streaming, which is available from the Producer Support Center on the Microsoft website and the Producer 2003 Resource CD. Should you desire, you can check the list of files that will be published before doing so by clicking the List Files to be Published button. Now simply click Finish to complete the process.